USDCHF today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about dollar against Swiss franc. Before we start the analysis, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and below the video you will find some links. You can check out these links. You can join the free Telegram if you want some free signals every now and then. Check out the prop firm and the brokers, and the link which I want to talk about is this monthly membership. So if you want maximum benefits from your trading, Forex trading or gold trading, you can join the monthly membership. For now, subscribe and like and check out these links after this video. Coming back to USDCHF, let's start the top-down approach, starting with the weekly time frame. In weekly, we are clearly in a trend reversal. So this is a trend reversal pushback, blue candle, then blue, blue, blue. So since last 4 weeks, we're going up. There's no rocket science. Coming back to Delhi, as you can see, the moment I saw this blue candle, I know it's a trend reversal. For other traders, it might take some time. And then here again, the moment you saw this candle in this daily time frame, we knew it was a trend reversal. So now we are touching the EMA, but since last 1, 2, 3 days, 4 days, we had been going up. So it is a time for the pullback. Okay. So maybe today's day will all be pullback day only, but let's go back to 4 hour to find out more. So in 4 hour, you can see we are clearly above the EMA here, broken all the previous highs, made a new high, and now we're trying to push back. Okay. So if I maximize this is the key here, because when I'm recording the video, this is what I have. So I'm not sure when you will be watching the video and when are you going to planning to enter the trades. Okay. So if you use your fib levels from here until here in the uptrend, then I think it's trying to take a pullback, and the pullback is, is not even 38% complete yet. Okay. So this is a 4 hour time frame and we still have 2.5 hours to go. Okay. So what I'm trying to say is that if this blue candle of this current 4 hour eats this red candle, then we will continue going up. Otherwise, this blue candle will come down and turn into another red candle. Okay. As per me, I think, this blue candle will come down and continue the pullback. Okay. Because if you use your fib levels from right here, maybe from here till here, so you can see we are not even up to 38% yet. Okay. So I'm expecting it to go down, and today's day more likely, or maybe next few hours more likely, as per my experience, could be up, going towards pullback. But you have to go and check when you're watching the video, because these are recorded videos, and live trades or live opportunities will come at a later time. Okay. So I think that's all we have. Weekly, we are going up. Weekly, it's a trend reversal. Daily, we are, going up, and we are taking a pullback. So today's day might be a pullback day. More confirmation from 4 hour. Wait for you. Use your fib levels. Wait for the pullback to happen. If this blue candle will eat this red candle, then go up. Otherwise, look for shorts if you are a scalper or something. Okay. So if you want some live action, make sure you join the monthly membership, where I can send you live updates and signals. For now, subscribe and like and share the video with your trading friends. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.